Hello, guys, welcome to the Entrant. We don't just make you learn, we make you learn, prepare you better. We are going to start a series of videos of class 6th social science. The chapter 1 is understanding diversity. This chapter will lay the foundation to understand our country and system in a better way. As you know, India is a country of many diversities. Here is a definition of diversity for you. Diversity means understanding that each individual is unique and recognizing our individual differences. These can be along the dimension of race, ethnicity, gender, etc. So, as we see people of different religion, culture, people who speak different languages around us, we can call our country a country of many diversity. With diversity comes many inequalities. I'm going to share a story which is given in your book, which is about two boys. The boy one is a boy who sells newspaper and the other boy who cycles by that road daily. The boy one screams the headlines of the newspaper in Hindi and English, mixture of both Hindi and English. The boy second asked for a Hindi newspaper, to which the first boy asked if he knew Hindi, as according to him, the second boy was too Angrez to understand Hindi. The second boy replied that he knew Hindi as it is one of its subjects in schools. The first boy, who never went to school, asked what a subject is. The second boy said it is something to study. The name of both the boys was Samir. Now we'll look at the similarities and differences between both the boys despite their name being the same. Samir 1, we are referring to Samir 1 to the boy who was on cycle. He knew Hindi and English language. He went to school and he was a Hindu. Whereas Samir 2, the boy who sold the newspaper, knew only Hindi, never went to school, and was a Muslim. So, the inequalities we are talking about is that being of the same age, the boy second, Samir 1, goes to school, whereas the boy who sells the newspaper has to work to earn for his family. These are the inequalities which prevail in our society and in our country. Now, let's see. Inequality comes about when a person does not have the resources and opportunities that are available to the other person, as in this case was the education, which was not available to Samir too. Now, one of the example of inequality in India is caste system, which is very rigid. In this system, society is divided into different groups depending upon the work that people did, and they were supposed to remain in those groups only. For example, if a person is a priest, his son will always be a priest and nothing else. In the same way, if a person is a farmer, his son will always be a farmer and nothing else. That means that there was no choice given to the people. They only had to work to the birth, uh, according to their birth. If they took birth in a family of, say, doctors, they will be a doctor. Otherwise, they will not be a doctor. Okay, so other factor that influence the diversities are geographical area. People who live in different geographical areas speak different languages, wear different clothes, and eat different foods, and the list continues. Now, here is a comparison between two cities of India so that you can know how geographical factors influence diversities. So, we'll start with Ladakh. Ladakh is a mountainous region. It is a cold desert. It is famous for its pashmina wools, which are very costly. The animals found are mainly goats and cows. Ladakh used was used as a trade route to send the textile, ship, and spices. Ladakh used to connect it to Tibet. Like it had many passes, so it used to connect India to many other regions. The major religion followed here are Buddhism and Islam. On the other hand, we are talking about Kerala, which is surrounded by the sea on the one side and mountains on the other. The vegetation we see are pepper, cardamom, and cloves. The first foreigners to visit Kerala were Jews and Arabs, who, along with them, brought Christianity and spread Christianity in the region. The major food here are rice and fish. So now you know how different region influence diversity. Moving on, now we are going to talk about unity in diversity. India has found its unity in its diversity. As we embrace each other's culture, religion, etc. During India's struggle for independence, British tried the policy of divide and rule, but Indians stood united and gained independence. The slogan of unity in diversity was given by Jawaharlal Nehru. This is it for today's chapter and lecture. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.